from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be spring cleaning in my bedroom as well as my kids' bedroom. This was a couple days ago. I was taking off the comforter on my bed, the duvet, and the sheets, getting all of those washed. I had the intentions of spring cleaning on this day, but the day got busy, so we're doing it a different day, which is totally fine. I still just didn't wash the sheets in my room, and it worked out just fine. Just took off the sheets. You'll see in a minute to do some of my cleaning that I was wanting to, but I hope you get lots of motivation from today's video. We are so close to getting done with all of our spring cleaning. Now that I have these rooms done, all I have left is my living room, the downstairs bathroom, and then the downstairs main area. So we are so close, and I'm so happy because we are starting to get some more weather, so we're wanting to spend more time outside even on this day. I was really trying to stay focused because this was like the first warm day that we've had, and I wanted to be able to spend as much day as we could outside. So I was trying to use nap time as much as I could, and then I quickly did the kids' room right after Wasey woke up, so that way I could just get it all done and then we could be outside playing. I can't get those down, so I'm just gonna improvise and use like a washcloth on them. It's gonna take me a little longer, but that's okay, and I'll just go ahead and do it with that side as well, just so that way I don't have to deal with it because I can't get them down today. But let's get these other curtains down. But if you're new here, my name is Haley, and on my channel I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom life motivation, homemaking, and just all of those types of videos. So I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. We are taking off these curtains to start off. Like I mentioned, I couldn't get those blinds down, so just washed those with a washcloth. It isn't perfect, but it does work. So just doing a quick cycle on these with cold water, and it just feels so good to get these clean, and then they air dry and it just smells so good. So I needed to empty out the laundry basket. We had these sweats and sweatshirt outfit I thought I was gonna wear, ended up not, so put that back. My closet's a mess. We're not going to talk about it. I also have a bag of donations. I was going through things in my dresser the other day. I need to go through the rest of the shirts, but I didn't have time for that. And then something that a subscriber reminded me of is I like using a spin mop to clean your walls, and I have forgotten about this, and I've done it many times before, and they reminded me, and I was like, okay, I need to start doing that, because instead of using a washcloth, getting down like 700 times, I can just use this, and it cut the time in half, maybe more. I did have to do around the baseboards, but it took me like 2 seconds. It was just like loose dust. So if you are doing spring cleaning, or just any time you're wanting to clean your walls, using your spin mop is seriously so helpful. I just used like a touch of Dawn Dish soap in it, and that's what I basically cleaned it with, and it cleaned them so well. Any stain that was on there, I was able to get off. So super helpful, and I was glad I was able to get that done. So we're going to go around and get all of these walls done, and then we'll move on into doing the windows. I decided not to use my steam shot either on this day. That's what I have been using for the windows. I just used a washcloth and it worked perfectly fine. It just instantly didn't get all the dirt out, but I was trying to be quick and not loud since Wasey was sleeping, so that's just what I did, and it worked out. So that's just kind of what I am doing right now.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads that never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
So I'm just getting this second window clean, and then we'll start cleaning the ceiling fan, and then I'm also going to just rotate my mattress. We can't actually flip it, but we can rotate it. So definitely like to do that once, maybe twice a year, just to kind of even things out. And then we'll also wipe down the bed frame. This needs a whole paint job, and that's kind of I'm going to go into kind of next, talking about now that the kids are sharing a room. I don't think this is like, well, no, I think this is the first video, if you have been watching my channel, where I've like fully showing the crib not being in here. So now that we have that blank slate, I really want to just decorate it. I have so many ideas for this house, and just, I don't know, I just can't quite figure out what I want to do. But then also I really want to focus on the kids' rooms now, and you're going to see it's definitely a small space. Like, we don't have a lot of room for other things, which is why I'm so glad that we can have the toys downstairs, because there's just not room upstairs. So I really want to focus on getting their room kind of done. I've slowly been kind of getting things here and there. You can see that was by the dresser. In a little bit you'll see is some pictures and stuff that I got at Hobby Lobby for the room. So I'm slowly kind of gathering things. We're doing like the cowboy cowgirl theme in there, and then also we are kind of just waiting to get the approval and okay to do it. But we are planning, hopefully, to make a pretty big change to the kitchen. We've been trying to figure out for the whole time we've been here how to fix the kitchen. If you've been around, you've seen we have this weird random hole, and it just feels like the kitchen is unfinished. So I think we finally figured out what could work and actually look decent, that's also functional for us. So we're just kind of waiting to get the go ahead on it. It is going to be a little bit of work, but I think the end product is going to be so good, and it's seriously going to change the kitchen 100%. It's seriously going to be just a night and day difference to what it was. So I'm really hoping that we get the okay and that we can start working on it. But after I got all that done, we are now going to wipe off the dressers. I'm not doing like the best job that I could, and I also need to figure out what to do with all of our internet situation. That's just out of control. And then this dresser, now that Wacy is out of here, we need to get a TV mount. Because we had it on a different one, and then when we ended up getting these dressers, this dresser doesn't fit on the narrow one, so I need to get a TV mount so we can hang that and then put the tall dresser underneath it. So definitely just projects everywhere. We have the candy bowl for all of the holiday candies that are kind of going in there, so I know the kids aren't just always eating candy. And we're just wiping things down. These weren't too dirty, but there definitely was some dirty things on here and just dust mainly too. So we're slowly getting this room put back together, and it feels so good. I loved the fresh, clean sheets smell, and then also when they carpet cleaned, it just felt so nice in here. So we're putting those curtains back on wet so they can dry, and loved that. It just makes the room instantly feel cleaner. I don't know about you, but it just feels like way cleaner that way. But then after that, we are going to go ahead and vacuum the mattress, and then we will vacuum the floors, and then we're going to carpet clean these floors in here, and then we're going to move on into the kids' room.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe.
Moving on into the kiddos room, I'm basically just repeating the same process. Took off those curtains, got those into the washing machine, washing the walls. We're going to wash the ceiling fan, do the windows, all of that. The only thing that I'm really not doing in this space that I did before in the other room was take off the bedding and wash it and rotate the mattresses. And my reasoning for that is because I didn't have enough time in the day to be able to get all of the comforters and the mattress protectors all cleaned, and so I wanted to wait until I did. So I'll get that done in the next day or two and just get all of that clean, rotate Waverly's mattress. Wasey's mattress, it doesn't really need rotated. He doesn't really sleep on it a certain way. It might be can be flipped. I would have to look at it. I know that it might be like a double-sided where it's like more of like a newborn and then toddler, and I think it's on the toddler side, so I don't think we could, but maybe we will see. I also needed to wipe his crib down, but I knew we wanted to go outside, so I decided to skip that as well, which is totally fine. It doesn't have to be perfect when you're spring cleaning. I always say that if you don't get to some stuff, that's okay. Just kind of make a list and you can tackle it when you are able to. Just trying to get as much as you can and just making the effort, I feel like, is what's important, and that's at least what I have to tell myself. If you're seeing the weird cord, that's from the monitor. We need to figure out a better solution, but we have usually the curtains always covered because of Wasey taking naps during the day, so we never really open them, so they're covered. You can't really see it, so that's what we kind of say, but we do need to fix it so that way if we do want to open the windows, because it will be likely more in the summertime that we can. And I don't know if you noticed, but like multiple times throughout my cleaning, I think I forgot to clean the windows every single time, so needed to pull the blinds back up so I could clean those. And we're just working our way around. Once we get this next window done, we are going to wipe off the dressers, and then we're going to be doing the floors, and then that's really going to wrap up this video. I know it was kind of repetitive doing 2 different rooms, but I knew Waverly's and Wasey's room wasn't going to take very long because it is so small, and so I figured I would just put them together and share that. I don't know what my next video is going to be. It might be a spring cleaning video. That's what I'm at least hoping for. I just am not sure which room we will see when that comes. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys all in my very next one. Bye.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know now.